border areas. A few months back also I had come here. I want to assess the situation in our borders on a regular basis. This is part of that.
What did you find, sir? The situation, about the situation?
Everything is calm, quiet, normal.
Since the border is open, so there is some apprehension, that the miscreants or some other elements can sneak, and SSB is there to guard the border. So could you throw some light on that also?
Our SSB is strong enough, competent enough to guard our borders. They are doing their duty very well.
सर बहुत सारे पर्यटक जो अभी नेपाल में फंसे हुए हैं उसके लिए सर कुछ आपातकालीन नंबर सर आप लोग अभी तक कुछ जारी किए हैं सर, क्या सोचे हैं सर?
These are matters of external affairs which the government of India will deal with it appropriately.
Sir, what is your observation?
My observation, beautiful surroundings, very calm atmosphere, and our forces are doing their duty exceedingly well.
सर अभी तक नेपाल साइड में बहुत भारतीय वहाँ पर अटका हुआ है, बहुत गाड़ी जैसे मालवाही गाड़ी जो व्हीकल है वो भी वहाँ पर है, तो उसको ले आने के लिए क्या बंदोबस्त कर रहे हैं आप लोग? क्या
These are all issues which the government of India will sort out in the most appropriate manner.
Sir, would you report to the center about your visit and the things that you got the stock of the situation?
I will certainly give my assessment of the situation to all concerned.
सर कल मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी ने एक बयान दिया था जो अब शायद विवादों में भी आ रहा है। उन्होंने अपनी भावना व्यक्त करते हुए पड़ोसी देशों को लेकर कहा था श्रीलंका, आई लव श्रीलंका, आई लव भूटान, आई लव नेपाल, लेकिन उन्होंने आई लव बांग्लादेश भी कहा था। तो इस बयान को आप कैसे देखते हैं? आपकी प्रतिक्रिया क्या है?
Any other question? Any other question?
सर आपको क्या लगता है सर एसएसबी यहाँ पर काफी है या दूसरा कोई फोर्स को भी यहाँ पर डिप्लॉय करना चाहिए?
SSB has got its own internal system to whatever is required to strengthen it to the extent required.
Sir, have you given them any instructions, sir, as you have spoken to SSB officials?
SSB has got their own standard operating procedure. They have got a line of command which is very well defined. They know their duty, they know how to do it. There is no need for any particular instruction from the side of the governor.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
আপনারা দেখছেন জেবি লাইভ নিউজ।